Good morning, class, and welcome SNCP. All the new students, you are welcome. You are most welcome in my class, right? And today we are going to start our first chapter. Just because of you, though the Modern Academy have already finished 2 chapters, but because of you, I am going to restart this, right? So first is what the concept of physical education. See, what is physical education and what you are going to learn in this physical education. It's an education about yourself, right? And it's a type of mirror. In this subject, you can say, try to understand. It might be difficult for you you have to just match my frequency. You try to understand what I want to say. Maybe in the first class you're not able to understand, right? Don't panic. I'm talking to the SNCP students, all those who are new. So don't panic, beta. You'll come to understand. I'm new to you. So you don't know my style. I also don't know your style, right? So we have to match each other, right? To try to understand and try to visualize what I'm saying. So just considering this subject only, the physical education, if we take this subject as a burden, you're not going to find anything interesting in it, right? Though it's a very interesting subject, you will come to know different new things and the type of advantages we are going to get with the help of this subject, right? A big advantage you must be knowing that you are going to gain the marks in your board, right? It's going to improve your percentage, right? This is the one biggest advantage what you people think, but this is only the 1 or 2% of this subject. There are many more advantages which you come to know about this subject. Now in this, see, I have told you that it's a mirror, right? Everybody must be knowing what is the mirror. If you stand in front of the mirror, you will see your impression. In the same way, if you know about yourself, right? If you are into the habit of doing physical activities, right? Or maybe playing or doing exercise, something. So you will come to know about your limitations, about your plus point, right? Means how capable are you? What are your limitations? Everything is known to you. You won't have to rely on others. It's so fair. It's so fair that you are going to learn everything. You are going to come to know everything, that what are good points you are having and what are the bad points or the negative points you are having, or the what shortcomings you are having. Without any extra effort, you will come to know this. Now, extra effort means you won't have to go, you won't have to do any test and all that, right? So the concept of physical education is what? Just to make you aware about yourself. What is happening around the globe is another thing, right? We people are aware of these things, what is happening around the globe, or what is happening in your society, or what is happening in your country. That is the different thing you'll come to know with the help of news and all that, right? But what is happening in you, we people don't know, right? You people are very young, very athletic, right? Very fit. So you don't know what are your shortcomings. I mean to say the biological shortcomings, right? You don't know your lung capacity, your stamina, your endurance. There are so many different terms which we use in physical education. So these terms they are the very colloquial in this subject, but in society you might heard sometime with some people only. It's not so colloquial, right? But everybody must be knowing what is the stamina. If I ask what is the stamina, so you'll maybe different answers will come, but grassroots level you just see when your movement matches with your respiration. That is what the stamina. See, you can do anything. You keep on doing a hard labor without getting tired. This shows that you are fit. You have the stamina, you have the potential, right? So these things you'll come to know. But if you don't judge yourself, if you don't put yourself into physical activities, I mean to say into games and sports, so you won't be able to come to know that how capable are you. You have not participated in any of the 100 or maybe 200-meter race, so you will never know how fast you are and are you able to cover that distance or not. Right? Many of you can cover that distance with speed, and many of you cannot cover that distance with speed. Maybe after covering the distance of 25 meter or maybe the 30 meter, they started losing their breath, their speeds slow down. So why these things? So that's why I have said it's a mirror in which if you put yourself into this activities, so from the very first day you will come to know your capabilities and your shortcomings, where you are good and where you are not so good, where you have to work and where you have to work very hard, right? So these things you will come to know. So this is what the physical education everybody knows, but apart from that, what is the importance of physical education? Why you people have been given this subject? One, I have already mentioned that you are going to get the good marks with minimum effort. You are going to get the good marks. That is the one thing. It's a simple only 1 or 2%. But if you take this subject seriously, so lifelong this subject is going to help you. With the help of this subject, you will come to know many things, many things, and how to apply that thing on you. This also you come to know. How you are going to apply? See, everybody eat food. Just take example. Everybody is eating food, but what quantity? What is the right quantity and what is the right time to eat food? We don't know, right? Whatever we are getting, we are eating, right? We don't see any difference in the junk food and the spicy food or maybe the deep fried food. We don't see. There is no discipline. No discipline. Whatever we are getting, the cokes are there. When very big example, you must have seen Ronaldo, right? 2-3 days back, Ronaldo has removed that bottles when he was facing the press conference. He just removed that bottle from there and he just endorsed to have water. And that company has, whatever the incident, they have faces a big loss and all that. This is not the discussion, but one basic thing you will come to know that everybody, I can guarantee all those who are watching this, they are fond of having cold drinks and they love to eat junks, all that, right? Even I also like to drink, but cold drink. Everybody. But if Ronaldo is saying, your parents must be saying, even the doctors are saying, so many people are saying, but we people don't listen to them. Ronaldo have set an example and millions of people have given up that, right? They have given up that cold drink. No, I'm not going to drink the cold drink, or if I cannot survive without the cold drink, so I'm going to reduce the amount or the frequency at which we are taking this. So after a regular interval time, after each 5 minutes or maybe after each 30 minutes, I have to have that. So I'll reduce that. If I'm having 2 bottles at a day, then I'm going to have a quarter bottle, right? So in this manner, you'll come to know the reality. The first thing you'll come to know that the cold drink is not going to help you a lot, right? Dehydrate kar dete. There are so many different things, right? So he removes that from there. So it's so many celebrities they are endorsing, and one person, he is saying, he is showing you the real picture. So in this manner, you'll come to know, see, eating habits. We are starting with the eating habits only. We don't know how to eat. When we don't know the basic thing, how to do, so how you are going to believe that you will be the fittest person? Fit doesn't mean you have a bulky body. Fit doesn't mean you have a very good biceps or very beautiful shape, right? I'm not discussing this. Fit means if any work is assigned to you, how wholeheartedly you are accepting that work. How much involvement is there? Your involvement is there in that work. Now take the example. Fit means this. If you have been given one work and you are tired, one a layman, one a person from this background, physical education background, right? You have assigned, the conditions are same, both of them are tired. You have been given one work, you are tired, and you have been given one work, so you might get irritated. You may accept the work because of any reason, right? Because of any reason you may accept the work, but you cannot give your 100%. You are not completing that work with zeal. The one situation is this: at the very same time, when you are having this given the same work to a person who's into the field of physical education, no matter he's tired, but he'll accept it, right? He will accept it. Suppose by force you have given that work, so he will accept it, and once he has accepted, so he will always try to prove himself. He will always try to prove himself, and he will give the 100%. It's in our blood. It's a regular routine. So it's in our blood. So you'll come to know about this is the beauty. This is the beauty of physical education, right? The very first thing you'll come to know, if you have been assigned to, see, you are tired, no matter, you need rest, but anything have been given to you to one person who's a layman, he may accept. Suppose a senior have given to him, he will accept it, right? He won't say anything. But do you really think that he is going to perform that duty wholeheartedly? Do you really think that he is going to give their 100%? If no, then how you are going to say? How you are going to judge that he is giving 100%? How you are going to judge that he is he's giving his fit person? No, he's not. He's not. Right? At the same time, in the person who is into the field of games and sports, right? Games doesn't mean you have to play for that national or international level. No, you won't have to play for national and international level. Only grassroots level, whatever the things, whatever the game you are playing, you can play it, right? Now, what you will see, the person who is into the habit of games and sport, so no matter the situation is not favorable, then also he'll accept it and try to prove himself and try to complete, right? And give their 100%. So this different you will find. The first thing, this is the fitness I'm talking about. Now, so you are not only the fit, you are mentally fit also, right? Muscular fitness I'm not talking about, the mental fitness. The very first thing, the importance of physical education is your social development, your mental development, or the mental fitness, your emotional fitness, and neuromuscular coordination. That you have everything in you. You are going to get these things automatically. Only you are just practicing. You are practicing there, and you are getting everything. See, it's an indirect. These type of development you will see importance, need, right? And why we need? See, if you have something and you are not able to use that completely, it's of no use. If you have something, suppose you are having the food. Just take the example of this. The fitness, everybody must be knowing that all that the elderly people, you people must be knowing that all those are not allowed to have each kind of food. I mean to say that all those who are suffering from diabetes and all that, so they have been restricted to the certain kind of food, right? So they have been restricted. उनको एक restrictions होते हैं that they are not going to eat. They are not going to eat food rich in sugar, right? So, if you are not able to enjoy your food, then what kind of fitness, whatever the thing, whatever the work you are doing just because of that, na? And if you have been restricted not to eat the food, so what's the use of doing hard labor? Just to avoid this situation, we have to inculcate this, right? We have to inculcate to do games and sports little bit, and not international level. We have to do this. Now, when we are on the regular basis, if we keep on playing, so what we will see, there is no such kind of diseases are there in your body. You will always find yourself free. All your organ systems are working, right? That's why I have said the neuromuscular coordination. Not only the neuromuscular coordination, in spite of that, I will say there's a complete coordination amongst your brain and the muscular, right? All the organ systems, right? The 10 organ systems are there. So we are having this. So we have to have this. So physical education is such a beautiful thing which is going to save you from these type of things, that if you are, we people are working hard. Why we are working hard? So whatever the luxury we want, whatever the things we want to eat, so we can do it freely. Sir? If any restrictions is there, just a second beta.
जॉनी सेंस उसको निकालिए।
कौन?
जॉनी सेंस।
ये कौन है?
निकल गया
है कौन?
अपने आप निकल गया।
क्या बोल?
कुछ बच्चों को मुझसे कह रहा है कि आपका वीडियो और ऑडियो थोड़ा गड़बड़ा रहा है बार-बार।
सर मैं तो माइक पे लगा दूँगा।
नहीं, हमें ठीक लग रहा है। मैं पे फोन आएगा। इसमें जॉनी सिंस जो है,
जॉनी
ऑडियो ऑफ करिए। मैसेज आ रही है, वेट।
क्या जॉनी?
ये चला नहीं।
इसलिए अच्छा इसमें तो है नहीं यार कोई।
अभी निकला है सर। इसमें पता लगा ना, ऑडियो ऑफ करो तो इसमें जो है फोन निकल गया होगा।
कौन है कौन नहीं?
ये देखिए सर, चुप कर गए, निकल। ये देखिए,
ये नया कोई बच्चा है?
नहीं है कोई और, जॉनी सिंस के नाम की वैसे आ गया कोई। अब क्लास कर लेंगे फिलहाल, ठीक है? हम देख रहे हैं, ठीक है सर?
क्या चीज? हेलो। अरे इधर सब खत्म हो गया। मैं तो यार माइक लगा के बोल रहा हूँ, फिर भी माइक लगाने की क्या आवाज नहीं जा रही है।